Alright, Dynamite fired right up, as it normally does. We got the new lowered spindles in the front. I've got the toe adjusted to where I think should be good. I might adjust it, but we're gonna try it. See what we get into. It's also a really nice day out. Warmest weather this year, so should be good. Seems to be working pretty good. Yeah. Let's try it some more. Holy shit. I guess it's a good test for my welding on the spindles here. I think it turns pretty good. Not tearing up the yard too much. Yeah, I think it's good. We'll try it on the road maybe, if we get a gap with no cars. So. Whoa, pretty sketchy. I think I'm gonna have to adjust the toe on this. Yeah, we'll go do that quick, because this is pretty sketchy. Holy shit, this is kind of sketchy. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll adjust the toe. Alright, I turned it out 3 inches, or 3 turns, so we'll try how it goes. See how it goes. Reverse is really fast, actually. Holy shit. Anyways, take her for another rip. Seems a little better. That wheel is really off balance, but we'll try it here. It seems a bit better. I don't know. We'll get into 3rd gear here. This is actually pretty sketchy. That wheel hop though. Maybe I put it too much toe in. We'll see. Oh shit. I'll try it again, see what's up. That's just kind of... think I've got it in the right spot.
Oh yeah. It's a lot smoother. Oy, oy, oy. I'm still not too sure what that clicking is, but it'll be fine. It definitely steers a lot better in the corners, like doing around here what I'm normally doing, my normal shenanigans. But yeah. The grass is kind of wet, so I don't want to rip it up too much. I'm definitely going to need a new transmission for this. You can hear it. I don't know what it's doing, skipping gears or what something. Oh, I did a really bumpy through here. But I guess what do you expect, right? Alright, I guess I'll call that the video. It's done some damage, you know, probably made a couple neighbors unhappy, but I don't have many, so it'll be fine. Yeah, I think I've got it where I want it. I might try it again with it towed more in, but I don't know. It looks like it's fine. Worked fine. It's kind of sketchy on that high speed, but, you know, I might rework the whole steering so it'll make it a direct steer. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please hit like, subscribe, share if you want. And always come back and subscribe and do all that. Anyways, have a nice day.